Jamaica's team to the 35th CARIFTA Swimming and Open Water Championships left the island on Thursday for Barbados. And as we hear from Jordan Fort, the team knows the task they're up against but have promised to deliver.
There were issues in the lead-up, but Jamaica's team to the 35th CARIFTA Swim Championships departed the island on Thursday with all set for the April 16 to 19 event. Head coach Wendy says the team is as ready as it can be before splashing into action.
I think we're all in good spirits. The kids are ready. They're very confident. Earlier this week they had some pre-competition jitters, but they've settled down. They're all with a positive outlook. Everyone is ready. We don't have any challenges with fitness or injuries. So we're looking pretty good. They're going there to do their best.
But Lee has admitted that going up against their Caribbean counterparts, who have some of the best swimmers at this level, is going to be tough.
Competing against Trinidad and Bahamas and Cayman is very scary. I'll tell you, quite frankly, it's very scary. And my thoughts this week are, I don't know what the following week has in store for me. You know, so because of COVID, there's a lot of uncertainty, right? But we're going to aim high. I told everyone already that Jamaica is no longer at the bottom, competing at the bottom in the Caribbean, and we need to go there with the intention to really do our best and place in the top 3.
Zanita Alvaranga is an experienced member of the team and even has senior international experience, having competed at the World Short Course Championships in the UAE last year.
Of course, I'm going to get as many points as I can for Jamaica, get some solid times, hopefully qualify for international events later in the year.
But it's not just experienced swimmers like Alvaranga who will be making the trip. 11-year-old Jessica Denniston is the youngest member of the team and will be making her first trip. She'll be busy doing 6 individual events at the championship.
Of course I'm nervous, but at the same time I'm excited. So I feel like the excitement really takes over the nerves. I know there's nothing to worry about.
Leanna Wainwright and Nelson Denny will also be depended on to get medals for the Jamaican outfit.
I think I'm in a very good shape and I feel like I'm in a good position to accomplish the goals that I want to accomplish and to hopefully bring back medals.
Well, we've just been training really hard for the past few weeks, and we're just going to go into this competition strong and do the best that we can.
Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.
In the meantime, there was anxiety from parents over the amount of funds they would need to come up with to send their children to the championships prior to departure. But with corporate sponsorship and assistance from the government, that bill was significantly reduced, much to the delight of one of the parents, Marcia Donaldson Thomas.
We had to pay all this for the first time. I was a bit challenged by it, but I was still excited. But you know what? The team went through. We got our sponsorship, and we have to say thanks to the various sponsors to reduce the costs that we had to pay. As a matter of fact, I think at this point we paid mainly for the airfare. But I know that things are being worked on, so I'm really, really grateful, because I wouldn't want to know that my son got this moment, this big opportunity, and was not able to make it because of financial constraints.
And with personal experience of just how burdensome it can be for parents, ASAJ Vice President Georgia Sinclair says they are striving to reduce the stress on parents.
Parents, you know, with a son still in the sport, so the pressure, I understand the pressure, you know, the financial burden is quite heavy, especially when some of these same swimmers will make consecutive teams, you know, so we are trying to do what we can to ensure that we don't have that continued issue.